Vaginal tightening. 5 exercises to help with a loose vagina. The muscles in your vagina can weaken due to several factors including childbirth and age. Here are 5 exercises that can help vaginal tightening. Childbirth can often lead to the weakening of the pelvic floor muscles surrounding the vagina. While it is natural for the vagina to change, this loose vagina may become quite the concern for many women. While it may look like your vagina changed, know that this is not permanent. The vaginal muscles can stretch back to their original shape. Wondering how to tighten your vagina? There are various things that can help in vaginal tightening. Pelvic floor exercises top the list, along with other, more severe treatments such as surgery. Is a loose vagina permanent? Vaginal health is surrounded by a lot of myths and misconceptions. Vaginal elasticity is one such common topic that is not talked about a lot, and thus, it is surrounded by misconceptions. Some people believe vaginas can lose their elasticity forever. And this is not true at all. There are various things that you can try for vaginal tightening. Your vagina is elastic and can stretch or shrink to accommodate in situations. Some events in your life like pregnancy affect your vaginal stretchability, but like any other muscle, they are good at expanding and retracting. Nothing will cause your vagina to become loose permanently, explains obstetrician and gynecologist Dr. Swetha MP. There are many things that can aid vaginal tightening. Causes of a loose vagina. Over a period of time, these are certain factors that can cause loose vagina. 1. Age. With age, muscles and tendons in your pelvic floor become weak, and this can result in loose vagina. You may even experience leak urine, pelvic pain, and pain while having sex. However, simple vaginal tightening practices can help you get rid of an age-related loose vagina. 2. Childbirth. When you become pregnant, your body is pushed to its limits to accommodate a growing child. During childbirth, the muscles along with the vaginal canal expand to make room for the baby. This can weaken your walls and result in loose vagina. 3. Other factors. Other factors such as multiple childbirth, traumatic injury, health conditions, or menopause are also responsible. Once you know the cause of why your vagina is the way it is, you can work on various vaginal tightening methods to make it better. Can your vagina get loose from having too much sex? It is important to note frequent sex or lack of it will not cause it to change. It's a myth that many people believe that too much sex can result in loose vagina. Benefits of vaginal tightening. It helps in improving symptoms of vaginal atrophy. Many women face the issue of vaginal dryness. This can also be solved through vaginal tightening. It also improves the symptoms of stress-related urinary incontinence. In fact, Dr. Swetha says, vaginal tightening decreases friction during intercourse and reduces any pain. Vaginal tightening. How to do this? If you want to take certain steps towards vaginal tightening and strengthening your vaginal muscles, there is nothing better than exercise. Some exercises specifically help with it. Let's take a look. 1. Kegel exercises. If we talk about exercises for vaginal tightening, then Kegel exercises are the best. The pelvic floor supports the uterus, bladder, small intestine, and rectum, and Kegel exercises are used to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. To engage in Kegel exercises, you need to first identify pelvic floor muscles. Kegels involve clenching and releasing of these muscles to build strength, which aids in vaginal tightening. 2. Pelvic tilt exercise. Pelvic tilt exercise is done for vaginal tightening as well as strengthening your abdominal muscles. To perform this, you have to stand with shoulders and butt against a wall. Then, pull the belly button toward your spine. You have to tighten your belly button for at least 4 seconds before you release. 3. Squats. Doing squats along with Kegel exercises is a great way to tone your pelvic area and tighten your vaginal muscles. To do this, you have to stand with stretched legs and hips turned out, then lower yourself as if sitting on a bench. Repeat this procedure several times. What's more, it can also give you a rounder butt. You can also perform squats with weights, dumbbells, in your hands. 4. Legs up exercise. Raise your legs against the wall. It is an excellent exercise to tighten up the vagina and to develop pelvic muscle strength. You can perform this exercise in the morning before leaving your bed. 5. Yoga. The contraction and expansion of the pelvic floor muscles are assisted by yoga asanas. You can practice Tidli asana, Prasarita Padottanasana, Chakrasana, and Supta Varasana to keep your vagina healthy. According to Dr. Swetha, who further states that yoga poses that include the pelvis can also help in tightening the vagina. In conclusion, while there is no science behind a vagina becoming loose, there are times when the vaginal muscles may become weak. Factors such as age and childbirth can contribute to this. However, there are many ways that can aid vaginal tightening, such as pelvic exercises, Kegel, yoga, and squats that can help you get your vagina back to normal.